Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a comprehensive guide where we'll start from scratch by creating a virtual machine, and then we will dive deep into setting up a LAMP stack on it. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your cloud computing skills, this tutorial is tailored for you. So let's embark on this cloud journey together. So let's quickly jump onto the Azure portal. I'm already logged in. If you are not, please sign in with your email and password, and you should see something similar. To set up a LAMP stack, we need to first create a virtual machine. Click on the virtual machines icon. If you don't see it, then you can go to create a resource and search for virtual machine. Now click on this create button. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Azure Virtual Machine. Once we click on that, we are presented with a screen like this with various tabs. Here we'll create and configure our virtual machine. On the Basics tab, we have a subscription. Select whichever is available to you. If you are on a trial, you should see only one option. Then we have to specify the resource group. It's kinda like a container which will hold all services which might be created alongside. Then give our VM a name. Then we have the region. You can choose whichever region you want. Choose the closest to you, or if you are creating it for somebody else, choose the closest to them. I'm going with West US2. Then we have the availability options. It is not mandatory, but since we are not looking for any redundancy options right now, we'll go with the first option. Security type. We don't need any security options. We can go with the standard. The image option, we'll keep it to the default. If Ubuntu is not selected for you, you should select Ubuntu. Then we have the VM architecture. We'll keep it as default. Then we have the size option. So you can choose based on your requirement. If you are on a trial account and you want to minimize the cost, go with the B1S option. It is free for 720 hours per month. I will keep it as default. Under the administrator account, you should see these two radio buttons. I would go with the password. And then we will give the username and password. In the inbound ports, make sure to select the port 80 for HTTP traffic, as we will be accessing our website via this port. Then click on Next, Disks. I would recommend using standard SSD for testing purpose. If your use case is different, then choose accordingly. Let's keep everything as default and move on the next tab. It will create a new virtual network, and we should leave everything as default. Make sure to take this option so that the public IP and the NIC, which is associated with this VM, will be deleted once we delete this VM. We will leave everything as default. Here's where the magic happens. In the Advanced tab, we can specify a script to run during the VM's first boot. The link to the script is in the description. It's crucial to modify variables like the GitHub repository and the password for the PHP myadmin. Let me quickly grab the script. Let's skip the tags and click on Review and Create. If you have successfully entered all the details correctly, the validation check will pass and we will create the VM by clicking on this Create button. After a brief wait, our VM is up and the script has executed. Our LAMP stack is ready to roll. So let's click on this Go to Resource button. Now we will copy the public IP address, and as we can see that the website is up and running. So let's now check the PHP myadmin also. It is also working. And there you have it. We have successfully created a virtual machine on Azure and set up a LAMP stack with just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cloud computing adventures. Questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.